All right. Back with another video. Today we are working on a 2018 Toyota RAV4, doing front brake pads and rotors on it. Customer states it was getting heavy vibration when applying the brakes and some squeaking, some noise. So I've got the pads off here. Old pads. Already pulled the rotor, replaced it with the new rotor. And while examining the old pads, I've came across the back side of them. They're a little damaged, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and go ahead and show you guys that. So these are the brake pads here. Looks like import something. They're import direct. I'm not sure where these came from, but these are the import direct brand. And if you look on the back here, you see this pad here, the little backing plate of it. It should be centered, and this hole or this part here shouldn't be visible. And if you look here, clip itself right there. So I'm pretty sure that was the cause of most of the vibration, and noise pads are pretty old too. And I'm not too sure what quality of brand this is. But yeah, just because your brakes are making noise or vibrating real bad doesn't necessarily have bad pads. It could just be a bad component of the pad or anything related like that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead on with some new pads. I'm not even sure why these say inner and outer. I'm not sure if Toyota did that with the RAV4s. I don't think they did. I don't know, it might be something just the import direct brand does. But yeah, this was the outer, and it did mangle itself up. Should be pretty centered like that one. Don't look the best, but it didn't move too much. You can see it moved just a smidge on that side there. If my camera would focus, yeah, just a smidge there. Yep, we got some new brake pads and rotors from, I believe these are from O'Reilly's. Yeah, new pads and rotors for it. Rotors there, new rotors there. Clips are installed. Want to lube everything up. Don't forget to lube your caliper pins up. Yeah, that one's a little stuck there. It tried to be. Yeah, don't forget to lube those up. We'll get all this side done. We'll knock out the passenger side and we'll be all done here. Just wanted to make sure you guys were aware that bad pads don't necessarily mean that the pad itself is bad. It could just be a component of the brake pad. But yeah, now, not recommended, totally don't recommend this. But if you were in a pinch and you just wanted to remove this backing plate, take this off, put everything back together, lube everything up, clean everything up, you would be fine to drive on it like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace everything. Well, guys, I've discovered the new brake pads are incorrect. I'm not sure if these are for the rear or not. I haven't checked part number or what they go to yet. This is the original pad that I pulled off. This is the new brake pad, and it is a smidge too small. They don't line up properly. Just a tad too small. So I'm gonna let customer know, and we'll go exchange those for the correct pads, and then we'll get everything all finished up. All right, we are back. I've got the new brake pads, the correct pads for it. Went and grabbed those from O'Reilly's, swapped the other ones out. They were literally off just a number. These are SC1211s. The ones that they ended up giving us originally were SC1210s. So pretty close in numbers. I can see where the mistake happened. So yeah, we're gonna get these slapped on. They gave us another bag of clips, so we'll have some extra clips. We'll get those slapped on, and then we'll start the passenger side and we'll be all finished up.